Imagine a place where the stars have come down to Earth and are dancing all around you. The only sound is the gentle lapping of the water against the boat. You look up at the ceiling and see a starry sky, but this is no ordinary sky. These stars are actually glowworms. Welcome to the Waitomo Glowworm Caves, a truly magical place located in the Waitomo district of New Zealand. The caves are known for their large population of glowworms, which are a type of insect that produces a bioluminescent light. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves were first discovered in 1887 by a Maori chief named Tane Tinorau. Tinorau was leading a group of tourists through the forest when he stumbled upon a cave entrance. He and his group entered the cave and were amazed by the sight of thousands of glowworms shining brightly on the ceiling. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are now a popular tourist destination. Visitors can take guided tours of the caves and learn about their history, geology, and wildlife. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are located in the Waikato region of New Zealand, which is home to a large Maori population. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are home to two species of glowworms, Arachnocampa luminosa and Arachnocampa flava. Arachnocampa luminosa is the more common glowworm species and is responsible for the majority of the light in the caves. Arachnocampa flava is a less common glowworm species and produces a green light. Glowworms are carnivorous insects and feed on small flies and other insects. They use their bioluminescent light to attract prey. When a fly or other insect is attracted to the light, it gets stuck in the glowworm's sticky threads. The glowworm then wraps the insect in silk and eats it. The Maori people have a deep connection to the land, and the Waitomo Glowworm Caves are considered to be a sacred place. The Maori people have a rich culture that is deeply rooted in the natural world. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are an important part of Maori culture and are often used for ceremonies and rituals. The Waikato region of New Zealand is also known for its fresh seafood and produce. Visitors to the Waitomo Glowworm Caves can enjoy a delicious meal at one of the many restaurants in the area. Let's explore the top 3 places to see at the Waitomo Glowworm Caves. Our first stop is the enchanting Glowworm Grotto, the heart of the Waitomo Glowworm Caves. Journey with us as we board a silent boat and glide through a subterranean river, venturing into a hidden realm of otherworldly beauty. Above us, a galaxy of twinkling lights shimmers like a celestial canopy, illuminating the darkness with an ethereal glow. These tiny beacons are the bioluminescent glowworms, Arachnocampa luminosa, native to New Zealand. Their delicate threads dangle from the cave's ceiling, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that evokes a starry night sky. As we drift through this tranquil grotto, let the gentle ripples of the water and the soft glow of the glowworms transport you to a place of serenity and wonder. If you're enjoying our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Next, we delve into the depths of Ruakuri Cave, a subterranean wonderland where nature has crafted a masterpiece of geological artistry. As we embark on a guided tour, let our footsteps echo through the vast chambers adorned with stalactites and stalagmites, nature's sculptures that have been meticulously carved over millennia. Marvel at the towering limestone formations, some reaching as high as 16 meters, their shapes resembling frozen waterfalls or grand cathedral pillars. Gaze upon the delicate flowstones, their rippled surfaces resembling frozen rivers of stone. Our final destination is Aranui Cave, a lesser-known gem among the Waitomo Glowworm Caves, yet equally captivating in its splendor. Here we discover a hidden sanctuary where glowworms reign supreme. As we venture deeper into the cave's depths, the darkness gives way to a mesmerizing spectacle of shimmering lights. Thousands of glowworms illuminate the vast chamber, their delicate threads casting a soft, ethereal glow. The air is still, the silence broken only by the gentle drip of water from the cave's ceiling, creating a symphony of nature's whispers. Let the tranquility of this hidden grotto envelop you as you marvel at the delicate dance of light and shadow. We encourage you to visit the Waitomo Glowworm Caves on your next visit to New Zealand. Here are some travel tips to get you started on planning your trip. Book your tickets in advance, especially if you are visiting during peak season. Wear comfortable shoes as you will be doing some walking. Bring a camera to capture the stunning scenery. Be quiet and respectful of the glowworms. Turn off your flash when taking pictures, as this can harm the glowworms. The caves can be damp, so it is a good idea to bring a raincoat with you. You are not allowed to bring bags into the caves, so you will need to leave them in the cloakroom. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are a popular tourist destination, so be prepared for crowds, especially during peak season. The cave tours can take up to 2 hours, so be sure to allow plenty of time when you are planning your visit. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are a truly magical place that is sure to leave you awestruck. The Waitomo Glowworm Caves are a reminder of the beauty and wonder of the natural world. They are a place where you can connect with nature and experience something truly special. If you are ever visiting New Zealand, be sure to add the Waitomo Glowworm Caves to your itinerary. If you're enjoying our videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video from us.